Hey everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. I have something fun for you. It's the Let Freedom Ring collaboration. It is May 31st. It uploads at 5 p.m. I think. It'll be in the description box and I'll have the flyer for it. The hosts are me at Buckeye Girls Reason Things, Deborah Cabasa at Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Penny at Penny's Place, Rosalind at J Mom Creations, and Marilyn Precious Jones Huntsville. You can do anything to celebrate your patriotism. Make it red, white, and blue. It can be you cook a red, white, and blue dessert. You could do a DIY, do a tablescape, a vignette, a tier tray, anything you would like to do. I would even allow you to do some picnic food. Because, you know, the 4th of July, picnics, 4th of July, apple pies, hot dogs, it's all patriotism. Because we like to have our barbecues. Yeah, just follow YouTube etiquette. Make sure to mention the hosts and co-hosts. Like and subscribe to their channel and watch their video all the way through. Oh, if you wondered where I've been, see my little guy? You've seen him on my videos. He had surgery for cancer. So if you've missed some of my videos and wondered why I haven't been around as much, I've been taking care of my baby. Talk to you later. Bye.